In today's video, we'll be flying from Singapore to Manchester, England on the Emirates A380. So the time right now is 11:08 p.m. and we're about to enter the departure hall. But anyway, our flight is at 12:50 a.m. which is in about an hour's-ish time. So we're just gonna chill here for a bit and we've got to get past security to the boarding gate. So of course you've got chocolate shops, you've got souvenir shops, you've got tea shops. There's always a bustling place here. Would you look at that? You've even got vending machines for souvenirs and gold. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You can get gold coins from a vending machine. Didn't know that existed. And obviously you can see over here all the different timings for the different flights. So let's try to look for ours. We are going to be going to Dubai first. So I think is that it over there? Alright, there it is. 0050 to Dubai at gate C26. So the gate is already open and we're going to be entering the gate and hopefully entering the aircraft within the next hour or so. There's a bus terminal for over there, but obviously we're not going to be going to terminal 4. We're going to be going to gate C26, which is all the way at the other end. Currently you're at like C12. And ladies and gentlemen, let me know in the comment section, when you're walking on this travelators, I believe it's called, do you just feel like you're walking at 2 times speed? Like, obviously you can walk over there, but if you're slower, when you're walking on the travelator, I'm sure there's some science behind it, but I just feel like I'm walking a lot faster, even when I'm walking slowly like this. We've reached the end of the travelator and over here is a massive rest lounge area. So our gate is C26, which I can see C25 all the way over there, but over here it says there's a rest lounge with like free Wi-Fi. There we go. You can see there are like seats where you can actually incline, rest and lie down. Now I'm not going to go too near them because I don't want to disturb the people who are resting over there, but yes, there's free Wi-Fi and there's a kind of a lounge area for those who are in economy. You don't have a business or first class lounge. You can chill here, ladies and gentlemen, use your phone, edit some videos if there's any content creators, or just take a nap. Of course, Singapore airport is known to be extremely clean, and as you can see, this airport is spotless. The carpets look really clean, just from the looks, by the smell, by the vibe in the environment. It's really good. The aircon temperature is great as well. Now I've noticed that all around the airport there are charging stations, which is really good because obviously when you're on the go, your phone's going to be dying and you need somewhere reliable to charge your phone. Yeah, there are many ports here, so just be sure to bring along your wire. You can charge your devices. Take a look at that massive line right next to me. Thank God, at that line. But let's not speak too soon because I've not seen the line at my gate yet. Let's see how it's like for Emirates. There you go, you can see the gate right behind me, but at this time, I say my goodbyes to all of you. Get rid of all my gear, keep my phone, I'm going to get stopped by security. So I'll see you guys at the other side, ladies and gentlemen, when we're going to board the plane. Goodbye. And ladies and gentlemen, finally, we have been called to enter the aircraft. You can see the aircraft right there, an A380 Emirates plane. There's a bit of a queue. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, the time is nearly 12:30 and we're about to board our flight. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the boarding area. See? Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at Singapore Terminal 1, about to leave. It's 12:30 a.m. I look at my watch, but my watch isn't even in Singapore time. It's 12:30 a.m. here in Singapore. It is due to take off at 12:50 a.m. and then we are due to reach Dubai, hopefully at 4 a.m. Dubai time, which will be, God knows what time in Singapore. I think around 7 a.m. Here you have a bit of storage area with magazines, safety guide, and then this is the table where we can extend it, and it's a bit got your table here for when the food and drinks arrive. Pretty easy to just attach and detach. And yeah, the screen is not too near you. It's just about nice. I mean, it's what you can expect really. And then you can see the wings of the plane. Look how huge that is. Got a blanket, a nice pair of headphones that we can use and connect over to, I believe it's over here. So the screen is touch screen, so you can just touch here to get the program start that. Obviously you can use this remote control thingy which you can cool to your comfort. Oh, this is dropping. That is. Oh. Okay, and I'm glad that there's a charging port. I was almost worried that there may not be a charging port, but there is. And then yeah, there's there's two USBs. Then you've got a universal plug. And let me see, is there anything else I'm missing out? Not really, I don't think. You've got your pillow, your blanket, and your headphones. So they've changed the lighting, make it a lot more cozy. And take a look at the headphones, it's actually full. I thought it would just be pure plastic, but this ear restings are actually foam, which is very nice to see. Let's try it on and see how comfortable it is. Right, so oh wow, I sound super echoey to myself now. So we're gonna plug this in over here. Alright, we are officially count in. It's pretty comfortable, I won't lie. I've got no complaints with these headphones. It's not noise cancelling, but I don't think you're gonna expect noise cancelling headphones here, right? But obviously I believe you can plug in your own AirPods or whatsoever. But yeah, in terms of what has been provided for us on the Emirates Economy, I've got no complaints. You can see the Singapore control tower right there to our left. You can see a Singapore Airlines plane there as well. It's goodbye to Singapore Changi Airport. I'm not sure if you guys can see the sign, but there is a Singapore Changi Airport sign. It is midnight now, so we can't really see it, but goodbye Singapore, hello Dubai. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, we are picking up some serious speeds now. It's officially takeoff, going up into the sky. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna try to get some sleep, and I'll see you guys hopefully when it's all bright. We're currently an hours into our flight, and the first meal, which is the light bite, has been provided to us. Now I'm trying to keep my volume as low as possible, but I hope you guys can actually hear me. There's a lot of people sleeping right now. Let's open up the table and take a look at what has been provided for now. I actually opted for the gluten-free meal, hence why I did forget what is actually written here on the normal menu. So on the normal menu, you can choose between these options, I believe, or you get all. Actually, I'm not sure. But for me, due to allergies, I have to opt for the gluten-free meal. And honestly, I'm really impressed. We got ourselves what looks like a muffin. Is it plain or is it flavored? So the one way to find out. And then we've got a gluten-free, if my camera can focus, gluten-free sandwich, which has a filling. So let's give it a try, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start with the sandwich. From the looks of it, there is cabbage. Not sure if that's tuna or ham. Let's try. Bismillah. So my first impression is that obviously this bread isn't your normal white bread. It is gluten-free. However, it is a bit, you could say, different to normal bread. And some people may not be a huge fan of it. One thing about bread, puffins, and desserts like this in general, especially when it comes to gluten-free, notice they're extremely crumbly, and you might make a made of pairs. So with the small economy seat like this, just be mindful. You don't want to be sitting in a mess for the next 78 hours. Now here is the toilet of the Emirates Economy Class. It is tiny. You've got your toilet bowl, you've got your sink, paper towels, tissue maker, and then you've got two soaps over here, hand soap. Now, if you're in first class, obviously Emirates is popular for your shower. But obviously, I'm gonna find that here in the Economy Class. Economy breakfast is now here. It's about 1 plus a.m. Dubai time. Here we have a gluten-free breakfast. See what this is. It looks like an omelette with chili. It's quite small, but I kind of like it because it's not too heavy. And I think you're landing in about 1 hours now. Here we have some called hot drink to wake you up for breakfast and also clear the sinus in the morning after a rough.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai International Airport.
So we have landed here in Dubai International Airport. We just left the aircraft right there behind me. You're walking through the doors into Dubai. After around a 7 hours flight to Dubai from Singapore, we are now here in Dubai International Airport and we've got a 3-hour layover before our flight to Manchester. And in today's video, I'll be showing you what you can do here in Dubai International Airport, specifically Terminal 3. Take a look at the aircraft. That's not the aircraft actually, this is the aircraft that we're going to be boarding. Goodbye Dubai, it's been 3 hours and I'm really missing you. So hope to see you again soon Dubai. Planes really are massive when you see them this close. Imagine like standing over there and looking at the plane.
Together. Was it each other? Hi, good morning. Who are you?
I'm good.
63G.
This has to be the best seats in economy. The legroom. Take a look at that. You can see the sunrise from the window seat. What a view there. Alright, so there's a bit of a delay with the flight because of security reasons. Basically, 2 people are leaving the plane because they're ill and they're unable to fly throughout the entire journey. So they're just making sure that all the bags are in the plane are actually belong to the passengers here. But yeah, a bit of a delay. Here we are, our gluten-free meal has arrived. We have got a roast chicken pesto mayo sandwich, I'm assuming, which is gluten friendly, which is absolutely great to hear. If anyone knows anything about being gluten free, it is impossible to find sandwich or even just bread which is gluten free. So this is fantastic. And apart from this, we've got fruits, we've got yogurt, and we've got gluten free muffin. Let's try it. Take a look on the inside. It's a chicken pesto mayo. So, bismillah. Honestly, this is really good. Doesn't taste gluten-free at all. Sometimes gluten-free bread or sourdough bread can taste a little bit different, and for people whose taste buds are not used to it, they may not necessarily like it. Sometimes it may be a bit too crumbly. Sometimes the texture may be too tough. But this one, look how soft it is to peel. And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the end of today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. Just take a look at that view that we saw while descending into Manchester, England. What a trip it was. More videos of my England trip are coming very soon. So till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.